All right, today we're diving into a totally different way of thinking about AI. This isn't about an AI that just does things for you, but one that is built from the ground up to actually see you. So let me ask you something. Just think about it for a second. Your phone, all the apps you use, your smart speakers, do they really get who you are? Or do they just see a collection of clicks, likes, and data points? And that question, it gets right to the heart of the problem that GestaltView was created to fix. It's something that honestly affects every single one of us, and it's called the recognition gap. So what exactly is the recognition gap? Well, it's not just that feeling you get of being misunderstood. It's way bigger than that. It's this massive chasm between your inner world, your thoughts, your memories, the unique way you connect ideas, and the super simplified, flattened out version of you that algorithms and databases have to work with. And this gap, it has a staggering, almost unbelievable cost. Some estimates put the lost value from things like ineffective healthcare, education that doesn't fit, corporate wellness programs that totally miss the mark, at around $2 trillion. That's the price we pay, economically, when human potential is just systematically misread. So this really puts us at a crossroads, doesn't it? On one side, you have the AI we mostly have today, instrumental AI. It's built to optimize for profit, to predict your behavior, and to extract your attention. But GestaltView is proposing a totally different path, a consciousness-serving AI, one that doesn't see you as a data point to be mined, but as a whole person whose consciousness is actually worth serving. Okay, let's dive into this because the origin story of this technology is, well, it's unlike anything else out there in the AI world. This wasn't cooked up in some sterile lab. It was literally forged from personal experience. This quote from the founder, Keith Soyka, is the absolute key to understanding everything, and he doesn't mean it as a metaphor. The core architecture of the system is a direct, one-to-one translation of his own personal struggles into rules for the code. And this table just lays it out so clearly. Think about it. Spending 21 years masking your true self, that develops an almost superhuman ability to detect authenticity, which becomes the system's personal language key in the system. Going through a brutal 14-year recovery journey, that teaches you how to witness pain without flinching, which becomes the system's never look away protocol. And living a lifetime with ADHD and its non-linear way of thinking, that's the direct inspiration for bucket drops and the Loom, features that let you just dump your scattered thoughts first and then weave them together later. And this quote, this gets right to the emotional core of what the system is trying to be. It's not a tool you command, it's more like a partner that walks with you. The whole point is to create a space that feels safe enough to actually look at the messy, complicated stuff we'd normally just push away. All right, so that's the why. Let's get into the how. How on earth do you build a system that can actually learn to recognize a person in this deep, meaningful way? The whole process is called the Loom Approach. It all starts with something they call bucket drops. You just pour in your raw, chaotic thoughts, no filter, no need to organize. The system just captures it. Then it starts analyzing those fragments, looking for themes and emotions. Over time, it weaves those threads together and eventually presents you with this coherent tapestry of your own thinking. It's a system designed to work the way our minds actually work, especially for neurodivergent folks. Now, this is a really critical distinction to make. We hear the word personalization all the time with AI, but that's usually just skin deep. It's style transfer, maybe mimicking your vocabulary. The personal language key is going for something way deeper, what they call conversational resonance. It's learning your unique metaphors, the rhythm of your emotions, your specific cognitive style, all with the goal of reflecting your own inner voice back to you with something like 95% accuracy. It's a whole different level. So what does it actually feel like to interact with a system like this? The way it's described isn't like you're using a tool or an app. It's more like you're looking into a really intelligent, really compassionate mirror. The user journey really unfolds in 3 phases. First, there's discovery, where the system is just reflecting your current state back at you. Then you move into dialogue, which is this amazing collaborative space where you and the AI are exploring your thoughts together. And finally, you get to integration. That's when the AI comes back and shows you the patterns it's noticed, essentially saying, hey, here is a story you've been telling yourself, maybe without even realizing it. And the interface itself is designed to make this all feel natural. It's described as a living canvas, using these subtle, aurora-like gradients of color to reflect the emotional tone of the conversation. It's not about throwing data at you. It's about creating a sense of calm and coherence. Now, this whole vision goes way beyond just helping one person.
The ultimate goal here is to take this principle of recognition and apply it on a massive societal scale. The long-term vision is something they call a reflective commons. So imagine a whole network where each person and their AI partner are contributing to the shared ecosystem of understanding. Instead of a digital world built on extracting our data and grabbing our attention, this would be a world built on mutual recognition and reflection. And this brings us to the ultimate point, the core thesis of this whole project. Our culture today runs on the speed of information. It's fast, it's fragmented, and it's breaking our ability to connect. The only way to heal that, they argue, is with technology that helps us slow down, because we only truly heal and understand each other at the speed of reflection. So we'll leave you with this question to think about. For decades, we've had technology that's designed to distract us, to extract from us, and to boil us down to a few data points. What if we started building systems with the sole purpose of seeing us in all of our messy, beautiful complexity? Who might we become then?